Slow down, slow down. Brake, brake! What were you doing? Trying to hit the cop?
Because I could see the burgundy Lexus's headlights in the rearview mirror, I knew that it was far enough back so that I could begin my process. Signaling, checking mirror and blind spot, and then going. If you really want to pass the road test, then you need to check out Zutobi.